There are two very different ways to get a computer to do a job. You can write the instructions yourself, or you can let the machine learn them from examples. In this lesson, we will build the same spam filter both ways, and find out exactly when each approach is the right choice. Let us start the traditional way, and write the rules ourselves. Block any email that contains the word free. Block anything written in all capital letters. Block messages that ask for money. Now every incoming email is checked against the list. And at first, this works beautifully. Spam drops into one bin, and real mail sails through to the inbox. But spammers never stand still. Someone spells free with a symbol, and their message slips right past our rules. So we patch the filter. Then a new trick appears. And another. Every fix adds one more rule to the pile. And before long we are maintaining a tower of exceptions that never stops growing. Now let us solve the same problem with machine learning. Instead of writing rules, we collect examples. Thousands of real emails, each one labeled spam or not spam. The computer studies them all and builds its own internal rules. A model that scores how suspicious any new message looks. Here is the payoff. When a brand new trick arrives, the model can still catch it. Because it learned deeper patterns, not a fixed list of words. And when spammers change tactics completely, we do not rewrite anything. We simply retrain on fresh examples, and the model updates itself. So is machine learning always the answer? Not at all. When the logic is exact and stable, handwritten rules win. Sales tax is just the price times the rate. A leap year follows a fixed calendar rule. These rules never drift, they are perfectly explainable, and they need no data at all. Simple, predictable, done. Machine learning wins when the pattern is too messy to write down. Recognizing a face in a photo. Understanding spoken words. Forecasting tomorrow's demand from years of history. Nobody can list those rules by hand. But there are plenty of examples to learn from. So here is the whole decision in two questions. First, can you write the rules down completely? If yes, just program them. If not, ask the second question. Do you have plenty of examples with correct answers? If yes, machine learning can discover the rules for you. And if you have neither, collect data first. Let us recap. Handwritten rules are perfect when the logic is exact, stable, and easy to explain. Machine learning shines when the patterns are messy but examples are plentiful. And when the world changes, rules must be rewritten by hand, while a model simply retrains. Next time, we will meet the three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning.